guys, welcome to my channel. And today, well, I'm kinda feeling sleepy. So I'm gonna go to check what's on the news. No, emergency. Listen closely to what I say. We, the Weather Channel headquarters, have realized that a big thunderstorm is coming in 5 or 6 days. So get everything ready. That's all I have for today. Wait. What? A thunderstorm? We need to get ready. Okay, I need to go shop. Okay, so what do I need? I need first food, second water, third umbrellas, fourth batteries, fifth medkit, and sixth a thunderstorm guide. I think, well, I hope I didn't miss anything. I need to tell this to Strawberry. Strawberry. What? Don't freak out. But, how do I say this? Well, just say it. There's gonna be a thunderstorm. Wait, what? No, sorry. Don't freak out. How? There was literally a thunderstorm. Okay, well, everything's gonna be okay. We have 5 to 6 days to prepare. Phew. Now I'm gonna go shopping, and you get everything ready. All the electronic devices unplugged. All the wires unplugged. The water from the royal puppy pool drained out. But why? I love the puppy pool. And I don't want to do that to the electronics. Why? Because first, it's bad for electricity to be while the thunderstorm's out. Second, water attracts lightning. Now you understand? Yeah, I understand. Wait, so does that mean I could not play any games? I couldn't play any games? Yeah, you can't play any games anymore because playing games needs electricity. No! Don't be so dramatic. It's not that bad. So don't use the phone on Wes. I'm taking it away from you. Fine. Okay, so I'm going to the store now. Wait, what now? Don't forget to buy flashlights. Why? Because to see better in the dark. But we already have a flashlight. Just buy one that both we could use because we only have one. Okay. I'm going now. Okay. Panda told me. Why does it cost so much? It's not even that much food. It's only 3 water bottles, 1 apple, and 2 tomatoes. It was because a thunderstorm is coming, so the prices are higher. And 1 apple, I guess I'll just pay it. Panda said I can't play any games because it's bad. But like, what would happen? Oh wait, I think she's coming. Hide. Hide it. Hide it right here. Wait, I'm gonna help. There we go. Strawberry, come here. Oh, okay, wait, I need to hide it. There we go. I'm coming. I'm done shopping. Now put away these groceries in our treehouse, and I'm gonna check that you do everything right, okay? Okay. I could play a little more. Yeah, but she says to not play. But what will happen if I use electricity while a thunderstorm? It'll not be that bad, Wait, I think I'm hearing her coming back. Hide it. Guys, no. I need to hide it quickly. I'm gonna hide it. There go. Nobody will see it. Wow, Strawberry, you did it really well. I like when you do this. Because mostly, like, you do something while I'm gone, and you, like, do something bad that I tell you not to do. And you do it, but right now, it looks like you're not doing anything bad. Yeah, I'm not doing anything. What's that what's that behind your back? No, nothing. Ding dong. We don't have a bell. What are you hiding? Tell it. Oh no, nothing. It's SMP. What? SMP. Trust me. Okay. I guess that makes sense. Phew. Okay, guys, that's the end. Yes, that is the end. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications for more of these type of videos. Bye.